Imagine traveling faster than the speed of sound, faster than anything we've ever seen before. Today, we're going to explore a groundbreaking moment in aviation history. The US has just shattered speed records with the fastest hypersonic jet ever built. This jet has pushed the boundaries of technology, innovation, and human imagination. With speeds that seem almost impossible, it's a major leap forward in both military and aerospace engineering. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into this technological marvel. We'll break down how this hypersonic jet achieved record-breaking speeds, the engineering behind its design, and what this means for the future of both aviation and global defense. You won't want to miss this strap-in because we're about to fly into the future of flight. Before we get into the specifics of this jet, let's talk about hypersonic speed. Hypersonic means flying at speeds greater than Mach 5 times the speed of sound, or around 3,800 miles per hour. At these speeds, an aircraft faces challenges that ordinary jets simply don't encounter. The friction with the atmosphere alone generates immense heat, enough to melt conventional materials. This hypersonic jet has broken speed records by flying faster than any other aircraft in history. But how do you build something that can withstand such extreme forces? What kind of technology allows a jet to fly at these incredible speeds without disintegrating in midair? That's exactly what we're about to explore. So, how fast did this jet go? Reports indicate that this hypersonic jet flew at speeds well beyond Mach 6, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. To put that in perspective, Mach 6 is roughly 4,600 miles per hour. That's faster than a speeding bullet, faster than a rocket heading into space. It's the kind of speed that completely changes how we think about air travel and military operations. To break the speed record, this aircraft had to overcome immense challenges, from air friction heating the exterior to managing shockwaves that can destabilize flight. And yet, it not only achieved these speeds, but set a new standard for future hypersonic travel. Let's dive into the incredible engineering that made this jet so fast. At the heart of the aircraft is its revolutionary propulsion system. Unlike conventional jets that rely on turbojet engines, this hypersonic jet is equipped with a scramjet engine or supersonic combustion ramjet. What makes scramjets so special is their ability to use the aircraft's high-speed motion to compress incoming air, making them far more efficient at higher speeds. Traditional jet engines simply can't handle hypersonic speeds. The air moving through them becomes too compressed, causing them to overheat and fail. But a scramjet engine thrives on these speeds. It's designed to compress the air flowing into the engine naturally, allowing the aircraft to accelerate without the need for moving parts like compressors and turbines. This is what makes the hypersonic jet's propulsion system so groundbreaking. Additionally, the materials used in this jet are unlike anything used in conventional aircraft. The exterior is made of advanced heat-resistant alloys and composites that can withstand the extreme temperatures generated at hypersonic speeds. Some parts of the jet even utilize ceramic-based materials, similar to what you might find on space shuttles, to endure the intense heat during flight. Flying at hypersonic speeds isn't just about going fast, it's about surviving the extreme conditions that come with it. One of the biggest challenges is heat. As the jet flies through the atmosphere at such high speeds, the air around it heats up to thousands of degrees Fahrenheit. This creates what's known as thermal stress, which can damage or destroy an aircraft if not managed properly. To combat this, the hypersonic jet is equipped with advanced thermal protection systems. These systems include heat shields, high-temperature resistant materials, and even active cooling methods that dissipate heat as the aircraft flies. Managing this heat is essential to maintaining the jet's structural integrity and ensuring it can continue to fly safely at such high speeds. Another major challenge is dealing with shockwaves. At hypersonic speeds, shockwaves are generated not only by the aircraft itself, but also by the intense friction between the jet and the surrounding air. These shockwaves can cause turbulence, which makes the aircraft harder to control. Engineers had to design the jet's shape and control systems with extreme precision to ensure it could remain stable while traveling at such incredible speeds. So, what does a jet like this mean for military applications? The ability to travel at hypersonic speeds gives the U.S. military a significant strategic advantage. Hypersonic jets can be used for reconnaissance missions, gathering intelligence in enemy territory faster than ever before. These jets can cover vast distances in minutes, allowing them to evade enemy defenses and return with critical information before anyone even knows they were there. Hypersonic jets could also revolutionize military strike capabilities. Imagine a scenario where a jet like this carries hypersonic missiles. These missiles can strike targets at such high speeds that traditional defense systems simply wouldn't be able to respond in time. The combination of speed, stealth, and precision would give the military the ability to hit high-value targets with unprecedented effectiveness. In addition, the sheer speed of these jets means they could be deployed anywhere in the world in a matter of hours. Whether it's responding to a crisis, delivering supplies, or launching a tactical strike, hypersonic jets could redefine rapid response capabilities for the military. The U.S. isn't the only country pursuing hypersonic technology. Around the world, nations are racing to develop their hypersonic jets and missiles. Countries like Russia and China have already made significant advancements in this area, leading to a new kind of arms race, one that's focused on speed and technological superiority. Russia, for example, has been working on the Vanguard, a hypersonic glide vehicle that can reach speeds of Mach 20. China, too, has been testing hypersonic missiles and aircraft, aiming to match or even surpass U.S. capabilities. The speed and unpredictability of hypersonic weapons make them a serious threat, and the ability to launch a hypersonic attack could potentially tip the scales in future conflicts. As the race for hypersonic supremacy heats up, it's clear that these technologies will play a critical role in future military strategies. The question is who will come out on top, and how will this technology change the landscape of global defense? While hypersonic jets are currently being developed for military purposes, there's a lot of interest in applying this technology to civilian aviation. Imagine boarding a commercial hypersonic jet and flying from New York to London in under an hour. Hypersonic travel could revolutionize air travel, making long-haul flights a thing of the past. Airlines and aerospace companies are already looking at how hypersonic technology could transform the travel industry. Not only would this cut travel times by a massive margin, but it could also make global connectivity faster than ever. Whether you're traveling for business, visiting family, or transporting goods, hypersonic jets could revolutionize logistics and human mobility. Of course, there are still challenges to overcome before we see hypersonic travel in the commercial space. The same issues of heat, materials, and fuel efficiency that exist in military applications also apply to civilian aircraft. However, with continued innovation and research, we could see a future where flying at Mach 5 or 6 is as common as flying at 500 miles per hour today. So, what's next for hypersonic technology? With the U.S. breaking speed records with its latest hypersonic jet, the future of aviation and defense is looking more advanced and more competitive than ever. But this is only the beginning. Future developments in hypersonic technology could lead to jets that fly even faster and higher than we ever thought possible. We might even see a fusion of hypersonic and space travel, where aircraft can exit Earth's atmosphere and re-enter it at hypersonic speeds. This would open the door to space tourism, rapid global travel, and even faster methods for deploying military assets across the globe. In the military world, this means the potential for space-based hypersonic jets that can operate in both air and space, offering unprecedented flexibility and range. The strategic advantage of having aircraft that can fly in and out of the atmosphere while traveling at unimaginable speeds would be a game changer in any future conflict. With all this innovation, it's also important to consider the environmental impact of hypersonic jets. Flying at such high speeds requires an immense amount of energy, and the friction generated by the atmosphere can cause significant heat and pollution. Hypersonic engines, while highly efficient at their top speeds, still rely on advanced fuels that can be harmful to the environment. Researchers are working hard to mitigate these impacts by developing cleaner propulsion systems, more efficient fuel sources, and environmentally friendly materials. The goal is to balance the incredible speed and power of hypersonic jets with sustainability, ensuring that future generations can benefit from this technology without causing harm to the planet. Now that we've explored the fastest hypersonic jet and what it means for the future of aviation, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on hypersonic jets? Do you think they're the future of both military and civilian travel, or are there still too many hurdles to overcome? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get your take on it. And hey, if you're enjoying this dive into advanced aerospace technology, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more incredible content lined up, and you won't want to miss out on what's coming next. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest breakthroughs in aviation and military tech. As we wrap up, it's clear that the US has made a monumental leap forward with its record-breaking hypersonic jet. The sheer speed, engineering, and technological advancements behind this aircraft are nothing short of breathtaking. But beyond the wow factor, this jet represents a new frontier in how we think about flight, travel, and global security. The possibilities are endless, whether it's changing the way we travel, transforming military strategy, or even opening up space as the next frontier. One thing is for sure, the world of aviation will never be the same. We are truly witnessing the dawn of a new era where speed, technology, and innovation collide in ways we've only dreamed of before. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and exciting, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of aviation and military technology. Your support helps me bring you more incredible stories like this one. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.